wonder. You're such a little pig.
Yeah.
Yeah, really?
Oh, there's my brother. There's my sister. There's my aunt I didn't like.
It's like, I'm getting even with you. Right, little bird?
And my uncle who tried to eat me when I was little. You little bastard.
Yeah, really? He's just like tearing that thing apart. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Now, if only I could get him to say nom while he's eating, so he's like nom, 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 nom.
I could do it. If he's doing it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
It'll pick up sound from everywhere.
That it does. Look at you. You're just going nuts on my sandwich.
Mucky. Mucky, no.
Goodness, all right, I've got an idea. A really wonderful idea. No, Brian, this is no time for the willies.
Sometimes at night, I just lay awake thinking about bagels.
Are you enjoying your egg?
Nowhere to run now, punk.
Tasty, huh? Nom, 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 nom.
Almost there.
You were just destroying my sandwich.
Ready? Swing.
Good thing you're cute.